Tiki, what are you doing?
What's he doing?
Her face.
You in the door?
But you probably will do that.
Kitty.
I didn't realize. I thought Tiki was.
It's a
like, he had
baptism
black
cat.
the princess.
Yeah,
Don't.
I thought Tiki was like thick.
So
But no,
did I.
he is
But when you
thick.
pick him up, it's like, oh my god! You don't realize how big
This
he
You know,
is.
you strain yourself keeping like my crotch is straight.
Facebook and because then I like, or on YouTube, and I look at them later. In like a ton of them, it's like me coming up the stairs. It's just like this is why stairs. It's like right after I woke up. So I'm spinning. No, wait, don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah, you'll freak her out, and then she'll poke a hole.
Vinny, open it. Vinny.
I opened it.
Okay, bad enough for the cat sneeze on the thing. We don't need mini boogers on there too.
Okay, yeah, like that one time.
Meow, 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 meow.
I don't know. You would.
This girl's
I
gonna
don't know. You were
die.
gone, okay?
I got
I
this.
think
I'll see you guys
someone was
later.
gone. You and like,
Bye.